What if I told you that within a few minutes, you could master the fundamental punches and strikes of Kung Fu? The very moves that form the foundation of this ancient art of self-discipline, self-mastery, and power. Sound intriguing? Well, welcome, warrior. Whether you're here to build confidence, sharpen your focus, or start your Kung Fu journey, you've stepped into the right place. Today, I'll teach you the essential strikes that every beginner must know and master. Moves that not only train your body, but also awaken your inner spirit and inner strength. Now stick with me until the end and you'll not only understand the mechanics of these strikes, but also learn how to bring precision, flow, and power into every movement. Ready to step into the art of Kung Fu? Well, let's begin with the foundation. Your punches. Let's get started.
So the first thing, let's etiquette. Open up. Circle. Step forward. Okay. Open up. Let's do our inner gate first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Outer gate. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sink elbow. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. Remember? Punch away from the body. Away from the body. Away from the body. Not here. Here. Away. Okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Again, as we progress along, I'm going to go a little bit more faster. So I would say go back to the earlier videos where I spent a little bit more time on it. Okay, 4 horse. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Turn with the hip. 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Recycle. Short punches. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Recycle. Rolling punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And recycle. All right. From here, let's do 4-gate parries. Ready? Remember, push down the center. Bottom hand comes up. Stick your finger in that elevator door opening and open. And open. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. and recycle. Bonsai drill. We'll do it this time. We'll do it with the Winch Footwork. We'll combine it today. So we'll position your hands in the center. We'll do high bong first. So high, you're going to shift your weight to this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. 1, 2. 2, 2, 3, 4. And step. Come back to the center. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next one, let's do low bong. So from here, same thing, come down low, tonsile, bonsile. Right, check, sliding punch, go back, parry, bonsile. Then 1, 2, recenter. Tonsile, bonsile, check, sliding punch. Low bong, parry. Parry, bonsile, 3, 4. Okay, I'll do it from the top. Follow me best you can. Ready? Low bong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Couple pointers. Remember your center line, that's what you're protecting. Your target's here, not there. So go low, cross the center, bonsile, tonsile. Drop the elbow towards the center, slide up. Come back to your bonsile. And step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Work on that. Back to that next week. Open up 2 more. Lower your stance a little bit lower. Let's give our hips a little bit of workout. So we're going to do our low hungar stance from this position. If you make sure you can still see your toes, you can even, if you want, you can turn your feet just slightly out if you want. And just sit back, like you're sitting back on a stool. Again, allow your hips to kind of turn out to sit on the stool, right? And then come upright. Now, you could do a anterior tilt. You can kind of slightly tilt the hip, push the hip forward if you want. But it may not be relaxing for beginners. So I would say just hold the position the best you can. Then when you get a little better, you can play around with that. I've seen people theorize, doing pushing the hip forward versus having it come back. I played with it over the years, and it doesn't really make much difference. I mean, for me, I prefer the posterior tilt because it allows me to stretch my hamstrings, and it also, I can still be upright, but I can still have a pretty solid stance. So just kind of play around with it and stuff, because sometimes doing an anterior tilt can annoy people's lower back. So if you're not conditioned for that, I would say just hold the position as comfortable as possible, right? And as you get better, you can go lower and lower, of course. So let's do some basic traditional punches. So bring your hands here. No, actually bring them up just below the chest line. And we're gonna remember, you go from female to male punch, right? You gotta twist at the very end. Just imagine twisting the first two knuckles into the person. You're gonna add that little corkscrew twist at the end. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Elbow strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Circle. Back elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Chops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, if you're just joining us and this seems a little fast for you, I would refer you back to the earlier videos where I slow it down for beginners. So each video I'm gonna go just a little bit more faster for those who've been practicing and have been following me along. Okay. Let's do back fist. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Front knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Side. Try to touch the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
10.
Very good. Excellent work.
Good.
Now let's bring this home with the cool down.
Let's do 6 positions. Go into your low horse. Ready? 1, 2, inhale. Exhale. 3, inhale. Exhale. 4, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale.
And just like that, you've taken your first step into the world of Kung Fu. By practicing these fundamental punches and strikes, you have not only learned the mechanics, but also started to build the discipline and focus that make Kung Fu so much more than physical movement. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Keep refining these basics, and they'll become the foundation for powerful combinations and fluid techniques as you progress. If you found this lesson helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more training tips and techniques. And if you're ready, check out these videos over here. I'd love to hear how your practice is going, so drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn next. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep moving forward on your Kung Fu journey. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Practice well, warrior. Stay inspired and inspirational.